Guys, chess is wonderful game, especially when you know some strategy. Guys, this game starts with the queen pawn opening pawn d4. Then black give the same answer pawn d5. And white tries to do the queen's gambit. Black does not accept it and he play knight to f6. Queen's gambit declined martial defense. After pawn takes pawn and black recapture with his queen. Then knight c3 and attacking the black queen. Queen go to the f5 square and pinning this knight. In this time white tries to unpin his knight by bishop d2. Then black play bishop f5. This seems like a good move for black player, but actually not, because pawn e2 is coming and attacking this bishop. Now if black take this pawn, he will lose one of his pieces, because knight takes knight and same time it is create a discover attack for the black queen. This is why black lost his pieces. Guys, go back and see what happened if black does not take this pawn and saving his bishop. Okay, good, but guys, believe it or not, black will be forced to resign now. Can you find this winning move? Okay bro, I am giving you 10 seconds. Yes bro, it is knight d5. Look at the board and observe that there are no saving square for the black queen. Guys, in this moment of sorrow, I want to sing a song to you in my own voice. Hire moti main na chahu, main to chahu sangam tera, main to teri सैया तू है मेरा सैया सैया तू जो छूले प्यार से आराम से मर जाओ, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में ही गुम हो जाओ, मैं तेरे नाम में खो जाओ सैया सैया. Friend, I am sincerely sorry for wasting your time because I am not a singer and I do not know Hindi language. Anyway, please tell me know in the comments whether you like the chess strategy or my song. Or guys, definitely subscribe to me because my channel is very small. See you in my next video. Tata and bye bye.